Yo, 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 what's up? It's J2O, man. We out here looking at some daily chart analysis for March 2020. Right now, we're looking at the GBP JPY pair. And right now, it's kind of was consolidating, but it's consolidating towards the upside. I got in a buy position using this red trend line, using it as a potential support area. As you can see, this is a 1 hour chart, and I have this trend line that's being respected. So over here be good like buy indicators. You can see the exhaustion area where price struggled to break down and retrace back up. So you can know off break that okay, this will be a good area that's been tested multiple times as a strong support area. This is a 1 hour chart. So that's why I'm looking for buy positions. I'm aware that this pair been dropping all last week. So this week might be the week for it to finally rise back up. But right now I also have like the Fibonacci retracement areas. Hold on one second, go to a lower time frame. Go to the 15-minute chart. And as you see on the 15-minute chart, this is potential buy zones between the 50 and the 618 retracement zone. But sometimes it might not hit that area. So you can also use that as an indicator. You can use support and resistance as an indicator to get in a position. Using multiple confluences, multiple reasons to get into trade for high probability setups. So that's why I got in the buy, because basically I saw, okay, on a high time frame, let's go to the 4 hour chart. I saw that the price was struggling to break lower than this. So I decided, okay, it's time to get some buys in. So it can still retrace down, but it's cool. I moved my stop loss to profit. So if it hits, retraces down, it's going to still hit my trade and profit. So it's a win-win. So I don't have to monitor my trade too much. That's why I do that. And I could also get into new buy positions if it retests this area. Maybe get like a bigger lot position because I'm confident right now that it's going to the upside. But if I'm wrong, I'm going to have a stop loss probably below this wick area, since this whole area is like been tested. But this is for GBP JPY. And now if we look at the Dow, the US dirty Dow Jones, man. Stock market's been going down for the virus, but right now had like a slow retracement up. But overall, it does seem like a seller's market. And back to GBP USD. So right now, this pair looks like it's potentially trying to go down for a sell. I had a trend line earlier, as you can see, it's been broken with this candle. Each candle represents an hour because the hour chart. It broke down and we tested up. So right now it's seeming like okay, this might be a potential downtrend. So let me go to a higher time frame to get more clarity. And I can see like, okay, it broke down this area. It broke a previous support area. So it broke down here. So it could retrace back up and then I could just get that boom, 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 more sales. But right now, let's go to the hour chart and let's draw the Fibonacci's. Or to cast a retracement zone. Okay, so I did from this high to this low. So obviously hours ago, it hit the 618 and then it started to retrace down, boom, 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 boom. So knowing how to draw Fibonacci is crucial. It can help you catch pullbacks and retracements and have certain targets. Like if you're aiming for like, okay, like 20 pip moves, it's easy to do using Fibonacci's. So This was like a previous move, and it showed it was respected for a retracement. And now let's look at a different pair. USD CAD. Kind of choppy right now. 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, so the market gapped up Sunday. That's why this huge gap, and it was for uptrend still. So you see another push to the upside, retracement down. So it's still an uptrend. So I would look for buy positions. I would draw Fibonacci's on the 1-hour chart. And if it comes down between the 1.36 area or 1.3617, anywhere around this area, I'll look for like buy positions. Me personally, I'll probably have my stop loss like down here at the 135, but I'm looking for buy positions if I was to trade this pair. And now the fun pair, gold. As you can see, gold been consolidating, boom, 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 boom. So there's no clear direction. And this is a 1-hour chart. But if we look at the higher time frames for our chart, it's an uptrend. It's just consolidating right now. So no great like moves happening right now. So I will hold off on gold. Let's look at the daily chart. I know gold's been going up for a couple of days. Everyone's waiting to catch the drop, but just gotta be patient and go with the structure of the market and see what's happening. Well, right now it's a red candle forming for the daily, but we just gotta be patient and see. So these are the setups I see for these pairs. I'm gonna always analyze charts on a daily basis. Always draw my fibs. I may draw trend lines. But when you get good at analyzing charts, you know, it doesn't take too long to see the move. But you gotta be patient if you want like great entries. Understand what times to trade. So please subscribe if you're interested in more, you know, chart analysis, more trade ideas. Leave me a comment, send me a message, and happy trading, everybody.